We have made it to another incredible spot here on the coast. I have no idea where this is. We just took like a dirt road off of the highway, drove for maybe 10 minutes, and this is the spot. Absolutely crystal clear water, nobody here. This is amazing, amazing. I mean, I can think of this place in the height of summer and maybe there'd be like, you know, 5 people here, and this old pier, perfect for jumping into the sea. When in Albania, you gotta go naked skinny dipping. Well, that was awesome.
Yes, we both went skinny dipping.
First time.
It is so cold.
First time swimming in the sea for quite a while. Months, really.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And it was cold, but it wasn't too cold. Once you get in, it's nice and refreshing.
Yeah.
And the water's just crystal clear. It's hot, not too hot.
Perfect. We are back at the hotel here in Himarë, and I wanted to take a minute to talk a little bit about drones. So, as most of you know, I have been traveling for the last 2 years with this. This is the DJI Phantom 4 named Moto, and it has been amazing. Such a phenomenal tool, an incredible drone to have, and it really has changed my business over the last 2 years and allowed me a lot of opportunity. I've sold a lot of stock footage with this, drone footage. So yeah, this thing is incredible. However, after 2 years, you know, it's taken a bit of a beating and it's definitely crashed a couple times, and I started to get some flickering on the screen. And over about the last 3 weeks, it's really devolved into a camera sensor error where I knew I needed to try and get it fixed. And I touched on this last night about taking it to Tirana, to the DJI official repair guy, and him taking it apart, and what we both thought would be the issue isn't. So the only real course of action now is to send this to the DJI European headquarters in Germany in the hopes that they'll be able to fix it. But because I've had it for 2 years, it's out of warranty and it's just not really a good situation. So what do? We're nomadic, we travel all the time, I have no base, and I can't realistically carry this anymore. Like, it's such an amazing tool, and I have carried it for 2 years, but when I look at the Mavic Air and the Mavic Pro, the size difference is just surreal. Like, look at this. I mean, you guys all know this. I know everybody watching this knows this. But this thing is like a giant cube. And not only this, but you also got the controller and the extra battery and the chargers and the propellers. It's just all together is kind of a lot of stuff. And to be able to replace all of this with just this. This is the Mavic Pro and the controller and the charging cables. Like that. It's just so much better and more realistic for my lifestyle. So the trick is now to send this in a box to Germany and then travel to Patagonia with this bad boy. And I am super excited to be flying the Mavic and Moto Part 2. And that's the drone saga. Complete. The old town on the top of the hill here just outside of Himarë is amazing. Completely built out of stone, something like thousands and thousands of years old. There were definitely Greeks living here, you know, well before the Roman Empire, and just populated ever since. And it is really cool to walk through here. There's no tourists, almost no locals, just amazing. Look at this.
have found a spot.
Looks like we found our spot. It is time to make the most of this light and get some photographs.
This is like a movie film set.
Incredible.
It's ridiculous.
I can't believe we're here by ourselves.
No,
like,
me neither. There's nobody.
Wow. All right, here we go. Part of the epic Albanian road trip is coming to places like this, in an ancient Greek ruin, probably been, you know, built and destroyed and rebuilt countless times, and being able to explore it all to ourselves at sunset. What an amazing location here in Albania to shoot sunset.
Wow.
That was awesome. We got a couple of really good photographs. The drone flight, like Mavic inaugural flight number 3.
Yeah.
Wow. Maybe flight number 4.
Imagine you didn't have the drone, you would have...
yeah, that would have been tough. So, Drone Saga, first Albania video complete. It has been kind of all over the place, but I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. We've still got a couple more days in Albania.
And I'm very excited about it. It's gonna keep coming.
Yeah,
like,
heading up the coast. So far it's been incredible, and there's more to see. So stay with us because we got a couple more days exploring Albania. As always, thank you so much for watching.
we hope you like this video.
And we'll see you on the next one.